In this video, we're going to know what will be the price for making the beautiful wardrobe designs and what are the advantages of a wardrobe for our bedroom. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. A wardrobe offers the several advantages for bedroom interiors, enhancing the both functionality and aesthetics. It has some key benefits like organized storage. Wardrobe provides a dedicated space for storing clothes, accessories, and more, helping to keep the room tidy. So, built in wardrobes can be customized with shelves, drawers, hanging space, and the organizer to fit specific needs. These are the some key benefits of a beautiful wardrobe design. So, now we will know what will be the price for making this type of wardrobes. The cost of making wardrobe depends on the several factors including the size, materials, designs and the locations. There are the different types of materials used for wardrobes like MDF, particle board, plywood, but my suggestion is go with the plywood because it is long lasting and it is cost effective, which will fit in your budget. But for a plywood, always use the marine gate plywood, which is 710, which is more durable and it is commonly used for the furnitures. So now let me take us some example. Like if you want to make 6 feet into 7 feet, 6 feet width and 7 feet long, the total square feet will be 42, and the wardrobe will come with the plywood and the laminate finish. So now market price is material cost is 800 rupees per square feet, and the labor charges for per square feet will be 200, so it will cost almost 1000 rupees per square feet. So to make the 6 by 7 wardrobe, it will cost almost around the 40,000 rupees to 50,000. It depends upon the quality which you select. Even you will get acrylic wardrobes also, but it is more expensive. This is the best option. Laminate is the best option. You will get lots of color choice. So as I told you earlier that the cost of making a wardrobe in India depends on the several factors including the size, material designs and the locations from where you purchase the materials. But while making the wardrobe you should remember some key points. So consider some important points before making the wardrobe. Like first one is the purpose and functionality. So define it's for regular clothing, accessories or other items. So decide on shelves, drawers, hanging space based on your needs. Consider pull-out drawers, tie racks. So always look the available space in your room. So measure the room dimension accurately, including the ceiling height. Second one is the placement. Decide whether it will be built-in or freestanding wardrobe. So always leave the space for opening the doors or drawers. Third one is the design and style. Match the wardrobe style with the room's interior. So always choose the material which is high quality, that I previously told about the material which is best for your wardrobe. So always choose the best materials combination based on the durability and look. Ensure the adequate height for long dresses, coats and suits. Adjustable cells offer the flexibility for changing the storage needs. So always include the section for smaller items like socks, belts and one more thing like you can make your wardrobe beautiful, like putting the light. So consider building lighting options like LED strips or spotlights for better visibility inside. So one of the key point to remember is the budget. So plan your wardrobe within your budget, balancing aesthetics and practicality. And one more point to remember is the durability and maintenance. So choose the materials that are highly durable and easy to clean and maintain. Ensure hardware like hinges and handles is sturdy. Include the ventilation options to prevent the moisture buildup and musty odors. So by planning these aspects, you can create a wardrobe that functional, stylish, and long lasting. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make the beautiful wardrobe designs for your bedroom. If you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, once again, I request please subscribe to our channel, because in this channel you will get the latest and modern interior tips and ideas for living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, for exterior, interior. So friends, this video is about the wardrobe designs. So in this video I told you that what are the points to remember before making the wardrobe, and what will be the price for making the wardrobe, and what are the advantages of a wardrobe. So friends, if you like this video, then please share this video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.